Hi, I'm Pete with DekTek Tile. Today we're going to be showing you how to reseal your deck, and that's going to start out with power washing the dirt and stuff out of the cracks. You get a little dirt and pine needles and tree shrubs and stuff in there, and so it needs to be power washed out first so that we don't end up sealing those into the cracks. So you noticed when I first started spraying, I was spraying down the joints to clean out the pine needles and the dirt, and then afterwards I went back and forth to get it all off. So that's just a way to get it out of the joints. And I also wanted to tell you that I do power wash my deck every spring just to clean it up, even though I'm not resealing. It makes the deck drain a little better and it looks a lot nicer.